Hello. Welcome back to English Craft Studio.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy you are here with us today.
I'm Zoe.
And I'm Ryan. And on this channel, we help you practice simple, everyday English, slowly, clearly, and kindly.
If you enjoy learning with us, please like this video and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow.
Yes, thank you so much. We appreciate your support.
So, Ryan, how is your day going?
It's going pretty well. I had a slow morning today.
Oh, yeah? What did you do?
I made a cup of tea, sat near the window, and watched the people walking outside.
That sounds peaceful. Nice.
It was. I needed a quiet morning. How about you?
Oh, no. My morning was busy. I woke up late and ran around the house like a confused cat.
Really? That sounds funny.
It was not funny at that moment. But now, yes, it feels funny.
Did you eat breakfast?
Uh-oh, no, only coffee.
Zoe, please eat breakfast.
I know. I will try tomorrow.
Good, because we need energy for today's lesson.
Yes, we do. So, friends, today we are going to learn how to ask simple questions in English.
Questions we use every day, in real life, with real people.
Questions like, what's your name? Do you like coffee? Where do you live?
These small questions help us talk, connect, and make conversations.
So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's learn together.
Questions are important because they help us get information.
When we ask questions, we show interest in other people, and that feels good.
Questions help us make friends, travel, ask for help, and start conversations.
So, learning how to ask questions is an important English skill.
And don't worry, today we will learn step by step.
Slowly, clearly, with simple examples.
A question is a sentence we ask when we want information.
For example, you are tired. This is a sentence. Are you tired? This is a question.
The sentence gives information. The question asks for information.
In writing, a question ends with a question mark. Question mark.
And in speaking, our voice usually goes up a little at the end.
Are you tired?
Simple, right?
Yes, very simple.
Let's start with be questions. Questions with am, is, or are.
When a sentence uses am, is, or are, we make a question by changing the order.
Sentence. She is a student. Question. Is she a student?
Another example. Sentence. They are happy. Question. Are they happy?
So the structure is am, is, are, plus subject.
You are ready. Are you ready? He is late. Is he late?
Nice. Very clear. Very useful.
Oh, yeah. We use be questions every day.
Yesterday, I met my neighbor in the elevator. She looked tired.
Oh, no. What did you do?
I asked, "Are you okay?"
Nice. That is a kind question.
Yes. And she said, "Yes, thank you. I'm just sleepy."
One simple question can show care, understanding, connection.
Wow, that feels good.
Now, let's learn yes-no questions.
We use do and does to ask these questions.
Use do with I, you, we, they. Use does with he, she, it.
Do does plus subject plus base verb plus.
Do you like tea? Do they play football? Does he speak English? Does she drive a car?
Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, he does. No, she doesn't.
Very good. Very useful. Very common. Ryan, Do you like music?
Oh, yeah, I love music.
Nice. Does your brother like music?
Yes, he does.
Good job. Friends, you can answer too.
Yes, please. We would love to hear your answers.
If asking questions feels scary, it's okay.
Many English learners feel shy, nervous, unsure.
But learning is a journey, not a race.
You are learning, you are growing, and that is beautiful.
We are here with you. Okay, friends, let's practice together. Slowly, clearly. Are you happy?
Do you like coffee?
Is she your friend?
Does he live here?
Are we ready?
Do they work together?
Nice. Beautiful job.
Woohoo! Well done, everyone.
So, Ryan, next time you are in the elevator,
I will not stay silent.
good. What will you do?
I will ask, are you okay?
Nice. English success.
So now that we understand B questions and yes-no questions, let's learn another very important group.
Yes, these are questions we use every single day, in almost every conversation.
They help us get real information, not just yes or no.
These are called WH questions.
WH questions begin with a special question word.
What? For things. Where? For places. When? For time. Who? For people. Why? For reasons. How? For ways or conditions.
These questions help us understand people, places, ideas, and situations.
And we will learn them step by step, slowly, clearly.
Many WH questions use do or does after the WH word.
WH word plus do or does plus subject plus base verb plus
Let's see some examples.
what? Asking about things. What do you do? What is your job? What do you like to eat? What do you want today?
Very simple, very useful. Where? Asking about places. Where do you live? Where do you work? Where do you study?
These are great for meeting new people. When? Asking about time. When do you wake up? When do you eat dinner? When is your birthday?
When questions help us organize plans and schedules. Who? Asking about people. Who is your best friend? Who do you live with? Who do you work with?
Who is great for talking about relationships and connections. Why? Asking about reasons. Why do you study English? Why are you tired? Why is he late?
Why questions show interest, but be polite. How? Asking about ways, method. How are you today? How do you go to work? By bus? By car? On foot?
We use how a lot in daily conversations. Okay, let's learn with a mini story. Real life WH questions. Last weekend, I visited a new bookstore.
Oh, that sounds great.
Yes, but I couldn't find the English section. So I asked a worker, "Where is the English book section?"
Nice question.
Yes. And then I asked, "What books do you recommend?"
Oh, wow. Really?
Yes, and she showed me a wonderful book.
See? Good questions open doors. They create conversations.
Yes, and they make life easier.
Okay, friends, let's practice together.
I will give a WH word and a topic. You make the question. What slash your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
Good. Now, where/you live?
Where do you live?
Nice. One more. Why/you study English?
Why do you study English?
Beautiful job, friends.
Now, we can make our questions more polite.
Just add small words like, excuse me, please, can I, could you, may I?
Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Could you speak more slowly, please? May I sit here?
These words show respect, and people respond kindly.
Okay, repeat with us.
What do you like?
Where do you live?
When do you wake up?
Who is your friend?
Why are you late?
How are you today?
Nice. Great practice.
If these questions feel difficult now, don't worry.
Learning takes time, patience, practice.
Every question you ask builds confidence.
You are doing amazing, truly.
So, now we understand how to make WH questions. This is great progress.
Every question you ask builds confidence,
You are doing amazing, truly.
and we will learn them step by step, slowly, clearly, yes. And now, let's learn how to use questions in real conversations.
Because questions are not just grammar, they are communication.
They help us connect with people, understand others, and feel confident.
Let's imagine some simple daily moments and practice questions we can ask.
At a cafe, can I have a latte, please? Do you have sugar? How much is this?
Where can I sit? Do you have Wi-Fi?
Very useful, especially the Wi-Fi one.
On the street. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? What time is the next bus? How long does it take?
These questions help you travel without stress. In a store, do you have this in medium? Where is the bread? Can I pay by card?
Nice, simple, natural.
If you feel shy when asking questions, it's okay.
Many learners feel nervous, afraid of mistakes, or worried people will judge them.
But remember, asking a question shows courage, curiosity, and learning.
And most people are happy to help. Truly.
So be kind to yourself. You are doing great.
Let's look at some common mistakes English learners make. Mistake 1. You live where? Correct is, where do you live?
The WH word goes at the beginning. Mistake 2. Do he like coffee? Correct one is, does he like coffee?
Remember, he, she, it does. Mistake 3. Why you are sad? Correct. Why are you sad?
Move the verb before the subject. Mistake 4. What means this word? Correct is, what does this word mean?
Always use the base verb after does.
Mistakes are normal. Don't feel bad.
Mistakes show that you are learning.
Okay, friends, repeat with us. Slowly. What is your name?
Where do you live?
When do you wake up?
How are you today?
Why do you study English?
Who is your best friend?
Nice. Very nice.
Hoo-hoo, great job. Okay, now you answer the questions.
What do you like to eat?
Where do you go after work or school?
How do you relax?
Beautiful. Keep practicing.
Now, let's do a short role play. Ryan and I will pretend to meet for the first time.
Yes, listen carefully, and then try it at home.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Ryan. And you?
I'm Zoe. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the United States.
Oh, that's interesting. Where do you live now?
I live in London.
Wow, really? How long have you lived there?
For 2 years.
That sounds great.
Simple questions can create a long, friendly conversation.
Yes, just one question can open a door.
And the next question keeps the conversation alive.
Maybe you feel shy. Maybe your English feels small. Maybe you speak quietly.
But your voice matters. Your questions matter.
English is not about perfection. It's about connection.
And every time you ask a question, you grow stronger.
We believe in you.
Here are more simple questions you can use.
What do you do? Where do you work? When is the meeting? Who is calling? Why are you smiling? How old are you? How was your weekend?
These questions work almost anywhere.
Repeat with us one more time. Can I help you?
Do you need anything?
Where are we going?
How do you say this in English?
Could you repeat that, please?
Oh yeah, that sounded great.
Ryan, tomorrow, please eat breakfast.
Yes, I will. And next time, I'll ask a question at the cafe.
What question?
Do you have muffins?
Nice. English victory.
Friends, if you enjoy learning with us, please like this video.
And subscribe to English Craft Studio. It helps us continue teaching you.
Thank you for being here. Truly.
Now, it's your turn to practice.
Write 2 simple questions in the comments.
For example, what do you like? Where do you live?
We will read your comments, and we are excited to see your questions.
Yes, your words matter.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Take care of yourself. Stay curious. Keep learning.
And don't be afraid to ask questions, even simple ones.
Because simple questions can start beautiful conversations.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now, friends.